Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical shocks and resets. Once done, open the hood and remove the minimal trim clips or two 10mm bolts securing the bumper access panel. This gives you space without full bumper removal. Next, unfasten the headlight mounting bolts and gently pull the assembly forward until you can reach the wiring harness. Do this deliberately so clips don't break. Preserving trim keeps alignment simple when you reinstall the unit. You now work on the complex middle steps. Disconnect the headlight wiring harness by depressing the tab and sliding the connector off, because forcing it can break plastic. Once disconnected, either release the metal retaining clip or turn the twist lock counterclockwise to free the bulb. Pull it straight out to avoid damaging the socket. Insert the new bulb using the base only so oils don't shorten life. Then resecure the clip or twist lock. Reconnect the harness to ensure snug electrical contact before testing. You finish by carefully reseating the headlight assembly, aligning the tabs, and tightening the mounting bolts snugly. Hand tight plus a quarter turn to avoid stripping. Replace the access trim or bumper clips, reconnect the negative battery terminal, then power on the headlights to verify high and low beams and beam aim. If alignment's off, adjust the vertical/horizontal screws until the pattern matches spec. Troubleshooting tip: if a light flickers or is dim, make sure the ground is solid and connectors are clean. Corrosion can cause voltage drop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.